Many people believe that investing is only for the wealthy. They hold on to the idea that you need a large sum of money to even begin, and so they wait for a right time that, for most, never arrives. But I want to share a truth with you. In 2026, the world of investing has changed. You can start building a strong financial future with a very small amount, as long as you approach it the right way. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how beginners can start investing with limited money and still achieve significant growth over time. Before we dive in, if you're looking for simple, practical, and honest advice about money, take a moment to like this video and subscribe to our channel, Money Clarity. Our mission is to help beginners understand investing without the usual hype, jargon, or confusion. We believe that with clarity, anyone can build wealth. The very first and most crucial step is to fundamentally change your mindset about investing. It's not about how much money you start with. It's about how early you start and how consistently you contribute. Even a small, regular investment can harness the power of compounding and grow into something truly meaningful over the long term. Waiting to accumulate a large savings pot often means you miss out on the most valuable asset you have, time. Those early years of growth can make a monumental difference to your final outcome. The second step is to get your financial basics in order. Before you put any money into investments, it's essential to have a solid foundation. This means having a clear understanding and control over your monthly expenses and building up some basic savings. You don't need a massive emergency fund right away, but having a small safety buffer is non-negotiable. This buffer acts as a shield, protecting you from being forced to sell your investments in a panic when an unexpected expense, like a car repair or medical bill, suddenly appears. A stable base gives you the confidence to invest for the long haul. The third step is to choose simple, diversified, and low-risk investment options. As a beginner, you don't need complex, high-stakes strategies. The goal is steady growth, not overnight riches. In 2026, there are excellent, accessible options like low-cost index funds, which track the entire market, or well-managed mutual funds. These diversified plans allow you to own a small piece of many companies, spreading your risk. They are designed to grow your money steadily over time without requiring you to constantly monitor the markets or make stressful decisions. The fourth step is to make investing a regular, automatic habit, not a random action. Consistency will always beat trying to time the market. No one can predict the market's highs and lows with perfect accuracy. By investing a small, fixed amount every month, a strategy known as dollar-cost averaging, you build powerful discipline and smooth out your investment journey. This habit removes emotion from the equation, helping you stay focused on your long-term goals and avoid making impulsive decisions based on fear or greed. The fifth and final step is to commit to continuous learning while you invest. The more you understand about personal finance and investing principles, the better your decisions will become. It's vital to avoid following random hot tips from friends or getting caught up in social media hype. Instead, focus on your own long-term financial goals, practice patience, and trust the process. Let your investments grow with time, nurtured by your consistency and knowledge. If you start investing today, even with a small amount, and remain consistent, your future self will be incredibly grateful. Building lasting wealth is not about finding shortcuts or getting lucky. It's about the power of simple, positive actions repeated over time. And that is the core philosophy here at Money Clarity, helping you grow your money with confidence and clarity. If this video has helped you see a new path forward, please like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone you know who feels they don't have enough money to start investing. You might just change their future. I'll see you in the next video, and always remember, when money is clear, growth becomes possible.